0.50, fruit and vegetable juices 1.0, ice cream, frozen confectionery, canned fish, meat, dehydrated vegetables 1.0, tin, processed and canned food 5.0, hard boiled sugar confectionery 5.0, beverages 5.0, zinc permissible amount is 5.0 part per million, fruit products 50.0 part per million, then hard boiled sugar confectionery 5.0 ppm. These are the non-bacterial. Clear? Food poisoning. आठ जदि अधिका होउची ताले we are having the food poison. Clear?
Madam,
Then,
Yes.
हाँ,
madam,
हाँ.
why for some products it is like 50, 70, 100?
ତାର ସାର୍
Jim.
ମାନେ ସିଏ ଟଲରେଟ୍ କରିପାରୁଥିବ ମାନେ ସେଇ
Okay.
ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମାନେ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଫୁଡ୍ ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ରେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ସାର୍ ଫୁଡ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଆମେ ପଢିଥିଲେ ନା ଏନର୍ଜି ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ମନେ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
Mm-hmm.
ମାନେ we generally test the calculate the energy value of the food by the bomb calorimeter. ମନେ ଅଛି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କ୍ୟାଲୋରିମିଟର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ
Yes.
କ୍ୟାଲୋରିମିଟର ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କ୍ୟାଲୋରିମିଟରରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହେଉଛି ବମ୍ କ୍ୟାଲୋରିମିଟର ସେଇ ଯେଉଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛେ ଖାଦ୍ୟଟାକୁ ଏଗେନ୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଫର୍ ଦ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିଏଣ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ମାନେ ଯେମିତି
Okay.
ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିଏଣ୍ଟ ତାର ଇଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ରହିବ ତେଣୁ
Mm-hmm.
ଯେପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ତାର ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିଏଣ୍ଟଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଇଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ରହୁଛି ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମେ ତାର ଦଉଛେ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରି ଚାଲୁଛେ ଆମ ଶରୀରରେ କେତିକି ପରମିସିବଲ୍
Okay.
କ୍ଲିୟର ସାର୍
Yes, ma'am.
then tea, zinc already we have discussed. Then bacteria, food poisoning. This bacterial food poisoning which is caused by the ingestion of the food contaminated by your living bacteria and their toxin. So these are the bacteria: Salmonella, Staphylococcus, Clostridium perfringens, Vibrio cholera, Escherichia coli, then Campylobacter jejuni, then Streptococcus and Shigella species. These are the bacteria. Then difference between the food infection and food intoxication. Food infection, that is the presence of the bacteria, where food intoxication is the ingestion of the toxin content. Then other microbes which present in the food infection within the food, including the মানে जो toxin টা রয়েছে infect the body after yes
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟକ୍ସିକେସନର କିଛି ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେବେ?
ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଖାଇଛନ୍ତି କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ସପୋଜ ଆପଣଙ୍କ 2 ଦିନ ଧରିକିରି ବା ବ୍ରେଡ୍ ରହିଯାଇଛି ଆପଣ ମନେ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ହୁଁ
ହେଲା
ହୁଁ
ତାପରେ ଆପଣ
ଓକେ
ଆଣିକି ଖାଇଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ତା ଭିତରେ ଫିମ୍ପି ମାରିଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି କାରଣ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଆପଣ ଉପର ଲେୟାରରୁ ଖାଇଛନ୍ତି ତଳ
ହଁ
ଲେୟାରରେ ଫିମ୍ପିଟା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଉପର ଲେୟାର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଖାଯାଉନି କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅଲରେଡି ଟକ୍ସିକେଟ୍
ହୁଁ ହୁଁ
କ୍ଲିୟର
ଓକେ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ହଁ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ଆପଣ ଖାଇସାରିଛନ୍ତି ସେତେବେଳେ ରହୁଛି ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ହଉଛି ମାନେ ତାର ଇଏଟା ଆସୁଛି ପ୍ରଭାବଟା ପଡୁଛି so or other microbes which infect the body after consumption this is the food infection whereas bacterially produce exotoxin clear ମାନେ ଅଲରେଡି ଟକ୍ସିନ୍ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଏଇଟା ଦେହ ଭିତରକୁ ଯାଇକି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇନଫେକ୍ଟ
ବୁଝିହେଲାନି ଇନଫେକ୍ସନ ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଟକ୍ସିକେସନ ଡିଟେଲ ଆଉ ଟିକେ କହିବେ
ଏଇଟା ଅଲରେଡି କ'ଣ ନା ମାନେ ଖାଦ୍ୟଟା ଅଲରେଡି ଟକ୍ସିକେଟେଡ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ମାନେ ପଏଜନ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଖାଉଛେ ଏନଗଲ୍ଫ କରୁଛେ କ୍ଲିୟର ଇଏ ମାନେ ବାହାରୁ ହେଇକି ଖାଦ୍ୟଟା ପଏଜନ ହେଇକି ଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଖାଉଛେ ଫୁଡ୍ ଇନଫେକ୍ସନଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଶରୀରରେ ମାନେ ସେ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ଟେରିଆ ବା ଭାଇରସ ରହିଛି ସେ ଖାଦ୍ୟରେ ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଭିତରେ ଯାଇକି ଖରାପ କରୁଛି କ୍ଲିୟର
ଓକେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ନାଉ ୟୁ ଗେଟ୍ କ୍ଲିୟର
ୟେସ୍ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କ୍ଲିୟର
so salmonella food poisoning that is the group of main group of ଆକୁ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଫୁଡ୍ ପଏଜନିଂକୁ ଆମେ ବି ଆଉ କ'ଣ କହୁଛେ that is the food borne illness ବା intoxication clear food borne infection ବି ଆମେ କହୁଛେ food poisoning ଜାଗାରେ sometimes the question may come what is food borne illness ବା food borne infection
Okay.
clear so food borne infection which is already we have discussed that is the inflammation of the stomach and the bowels. This can happen when you eat or drink something that is contaminated by a bacteria, virus, or parasite. Clear now what is infection? So often the inflammation leads to this diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain also, abdominal cramp, and sometimes fever also you will have. Clear? ଆଉ ଏଇଟା କେତିକି ଦିନ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟିଂ କରୁଛି? This foodborne infection can last between 1 and 3 days. Hello.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Generally, mostly foodborne infection occur at people's home simply due to the poor hygiene. It is as easy as preparing the food without hand washing after visiting to the toilet or not preparing their food, or cross contamination is also risk. ମାନେ ଜେନେରାଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କାଲି କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲି କଟିଂ ବୋର୍ଡରେ ଯୋଉଟା କାଟୁଛନ୍ତି and they also get the infection or their food is going to contaminated. Suppose this knife is they are cutting the piece or meat and again they cut the vegetable and they left like this without washing, then definitely they will get the contamination. Clear? So
Yes.
then if foodborne intoxication or food poisoning is caused by the ingestion that is of toxicant, जोटा में intoxication कहूचे, जोटा toxicants found in the toxin of certain plant and animal, toxin formed by the microbes while they multiply in food or after entering the intestine, and poisonous substances which may be intentionally you can say or incidentally added to your food during the production ହେଇପାରେ, processing ହେଇପାରେ, transportation ହେଇପାରେ, storage ବି ହେଇପାରେ. Clear? That food chain ର any stage ରେ which can happen, this toxication can happen. Toxicant or toxic substances in food are the substances which are found in the foods which can produce the harmful effect on ingestion by the human and the animal. So toxicant or toxic substances in food are substances found in the food that can produce harmful effect in your on the human body after the ingestion. That clear now? Infection and intoxication.
Yes, ma'am.
Then bacterial intoxicants বা আমি যেটা কইছি bacterial poisoning, food poisoning. So this first one is your Staphylococcus, these are the Salmonella group, which are the bacterial agent causing food poisoning, generally Salmonella enteritidis, Salmonella trypanosomium, and Salmonella thomson, which are most frequent and what other types have also been isolated in outbreaks of the food poisoning. Salmonella food poisoning causes gastroenteritis since only the alimentary tract is involved and there is no general invasion of the body. How could you have sir? That's why bacterial infections are localized. Clear? So these are the agents. Salmonella typhimurium, that is the rod-shaped flagellated aerobic gram-negative bacterium. এটা ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇବା ପାଇଁ କରିଦେଇଛି. Clear,
Okay.
sir? Then source କୋଉଠୁ ଆସୁଛି? Men get infection from the farm and animal and poultry, disease of the animal, contaminated meat, milk and milk products, sausages, custard. Then sausages মানে sir? So what is sausages?
chicken को piece
हाँ,
piece करा
sir, that is the most infected one. মানে ଆମେ କିନ୍ତୁ ପାଟିକୁ ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ କାରଣ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଇକି ଏଇଟା ହେଇଥାଏ, ମାନେ ମିଟ୍ର ସବୁ ତାକୁ ଯୋଉ ଯେମିତି ଗ୍ରାଇଣ୍ଡ କରିକି ବା ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଟୁକୁରା କରିକି ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ କରିକି କରାଯାଇଥାଏ ବୋଲି ଇଜିଲି ଚ୍ୟୁଇଂ ବା ଆମେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ପାଟିକୁ ବେଶୀ ସ୍ୱାଦ ଲାଗିଥାଏ and it is the most infectious one. Then custard also. Egg and egg products, rat and mice are other source. They are often heavily infected and contaminate the foodstuff by their urine and feces. Incubation period 12 to 24 hours. Mechanism of action, this is the infection cycle. After ingestion, the organism multiply in intestine and give rise into the acute enteritis and colitis. So sign and symptom, the onset is generally sudden with the chills, ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେବ, ମାନେ ଥଣ୍ଡା କମ୍ପ ଆସିବ ଯୋଉଟା chills, fever, nausea, vomiting, profuse watery diarrhea, last 2 to 3 days. Convalescent carrier state may last for several weeks. The mortality rate is only 1%. That clear?
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
Yes.
ସେଇ ସାଲମୋନେଲା ଫୁଡ୍ ପଏଜନିଂ ଟା ଆଉ ଥରେ ଟିକେ ଖାଲି
And actually the three types, these are the bacteria. Okay, these are the main group of bacteria जोटा कि enteritis and typhimurium and Thomson, जोटा कि हमें generally
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ these are the types of salmonella
type
food
of
poisoning
bacteria
but
ଏମାନଙ୍କର
what
ନା ତାର bacteria ନା madam, ଆଉ ଏଇଟା generally ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପେଟ କୁ ମାନେ alimentary canal କୁ affect करे,
okay ma'am
ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନା ଯେମିତି ମଣିଷ ଆମେ ମାନେ different name ର ସେମିତି these are the variety of bacteria, ତାଙ୍କ ନା ଏଇଟା.
yes ma'am okay
These are the name. Then source, already we have discussed. Then food involved. The common food that give rise to the type of food poisoning are meat, milk, fish and egg which are contaminated being from animal itself or from external sources. Egg from the infected duck have been the cause of several outbreaks. Many types of salmonella have been isolated from diet egg powder and egg albumin. ଏବେ ତ ସବୁ ପ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ହେଇକି ମିଳୁଛି, ମାନେ ପାଶ୍ଚରାଇଜ ହେଇକି ମିଳୁଛି, still then it is very dangerous. Then Staphylococcus food poisoning, which is a most common type of infection. These are the bacteria. When you look under the microscope, it will look like this: gram-positive and anaerobic focal bacteria that appears in cluster. एकाठी ହେଇକି ଏମିତି bunch ହେଇକି ରହିଥିବେ. Enterotoxin of the certain strain of the coagulate positive Staphylococcus aureus, and toxin can be formed at optimum temperature 35 degrees centigrade to 37 degrees centigrade. These toxins are relatively heat stable and resist boiling up 30 minutes or more. Even 30 minutes पर्यंत भी आपण boil कले भी ये रहितबे. So source, they are the ubiquitous in nature, found in skin, nose, throat. They are common agent of the boil and pyogenic infection in man and animal. Cow suffering from the mastitis. Pyogenic mane? What is pyogenic? Madam, pyogenic. What is pyogenic? जो आपनकर
No
पाइरिया
idea.
होची माने पाटी रोग जोटा
Okay.
पाइरिया हुए ना,
ଦାନ୍ତ ମାଢିର ରକ୍ତ ଆସିବ.
हाँ हाँ
Ma'am, pause related.
हाँ नहीं एक्चुअली ସେଇ ମାନେ ପାଟିର ଦାନ୍ତ ମାଢି ପାଖରେ ରହେ, ଯଦି ଇନଫେକ୍ସନ ଦାନ୍ତ ହେଇଛି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ମାଢି generally cow suffering from the mastitis have been responsible for the outbreaks of the food poisoning involving the milk and milk products. Incubation period 1 to 6, and because of the perform toxin, food poisoning result from the ingestion of the perform toxin in the food. Food bacteria have gone in the intra-dietetic toxin. It is remain in the food after organism even diet. Then toxin are directly on the intestine and CNS. What is CNS?
Central nervous
सेंट्रल
system.
नर्वस सिस्टम को अफेक्ट करूची.
Okay.
क्लियर? एक्चुअली यार माने कॉमन माने जो पॉइजनिंग टा केमती होची, इट इज एंटेरोटॉक्सिन होची, जो जेहेतु एटा हीट स्टेबल से कोन करबो ना आपनकर आमे डोज प्रथमे औषध खाइले भी एटा टिके रही कि रहिबे, माने आपन शरीर रे इन्फेक्शन टा शीघ्र जीवन. तो आपको नाउजिया, तापरे वोमिटिंग, abdominal pain, diarrhea, dehydration, एगुड़ा सब हम. If it is not appropriately treated, it can be fatal.
Okay.
ବୁଝିଲେ ନା ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ କଷ୍ଟାର୍ଡ ଆମେ ଖାଉଛେ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ରହିଯାଇଛି ଆଉ କଷ୍ଟାର୍ଡ କ୍ରିମ୍ ବେକରୀ ଫୁଡ୍ ପୋଲ୍ଟ୍ରି ହ୍ୟାମବର୍ଗର ତାପରେ ଫର୍ମେଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ମିଟ୍ ଡାଇରୀ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ସୋୟା ମାନେ ଜେନେରାଲି ଆମେ ଖାଉଛେ ଯୋଉଟା that is infected by this salmonella bacteria. Then following the proper hygiene in preparation and storage is the key to avoid the infection. Clear?
Yes.
This is the sign and symptom and stool culture करके अपन diagnosis कर पारे. Food involved already I have discussed. Then another bacteria known as Clostridium botulism. This is the shape of the virus, which is the most serious type but occurs rarely. It actually produces neurotoxin. माने आपणकर माने ब्रेन को जोटा हार्मफुल करिवो से टॉक्सिन टा सिए माने सीक्रेट करे जोटा कि डिजीज स्टार्ट्स विथ 2 hours to 14 days. Generally it is broken into 80 neurotoxin A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which is antigenetically and serologically distinct but structurally similar. Discovery by the H toxin October 2013. Exotoxin of the Clostridium botulinum, generally type A, B, E, cause toxicity in man, and C and D cause toxicity in animal. Source: it is widely distributed in soil, dust, intestinal tract of the animal, and it enters to the food as spores. Food responsible for the botulism are preserved food, home food such as canned vegetables, smoked or pickled fish, homemade cheese, other low acid foods. Incubation period 12 to 36 hours. So mechanism of action: under the suitable anaerobic condition, the toxin will be performed into the food. It acts as a parasympathetic nervous system and it action as a GI means gastrointestinal tract, which is very slight. But botulism toxin is one of the most powerful known toxin. About 1 microgram is lethal to human when it is inhaled. It acts by blocking the nerve function through inhibition of the excitatory neurotransmitter acetylcholine released from the presynaptic membrane of the neuromuscular junction in the systemic nervous system. Systemic nervous system. Sir, clear?
Yes.
Sign and symptom. This is your first symptom is your dysphagia. Sir, dysphagia माने यदि आपनको botulism द्वारा आपण अफेक्टेड ହେଇଛନ୍ତି प्रथम सिम्पटम है dysphagia माने
मैम भोक करबनी
हाँ माने आपण गिली परिबनी माने swallowing will be difficult. Phagocytes, phagia, dysphagia. Clear? Then diplopia. Diplopia माने कौन? देखो diplopia माने visual impairment. Then ptosis माने this is your ptosis. माने कौन? माने आपनकर आईलिड टा आपे आपे सर माने बंद हो जीवो जोटा कि माने ए मसल टा आपनकर पैरालिसिस या आईलिड अपर आईलिड मसल टा और वीकनेस अपन आखिटा आखि पताटा आपे आपे खोलिबनी. That clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then dysarthria माने कौन? Dysarthria. It is also one of the जेहेतु एटा nervous system को peripheral nervous system का हमको affect करूची माने synaptic nerves को माने peripheral nerve को काम कौन? Peripheral brain नो माने आपनकर कौन?
Speech.
हाँ
स्पीच
या dysarthria है ना speech articulation आपनकर हेई परिबनी. Speech difficulties माने आपनकर जो coordination motor nerves माने आपनकर कौन फाइनल muscle coordination as well as your larger muscle coordination will not be possible. As it is a nervous system, so generally finer muscle coordination is not going to happen. Then blurring of the vision.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଏଇ ଡିସ୍ଫାଜିଆ ସହିତ ଡିସ୍କାଲକୁଲିଆ ଆଉ ଡିସ୍ଗ୍ରାଫିଆ ଯୋଉଟା ହୁଏ ସେଇଟା ବି ଏହାର ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ କି?
ନା ଆ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ନୁହଁ, ଏଇଟା ମାନେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ପେରିଫେରାଲ ନର୍ଭ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ହଉଛି, ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭିତରକୁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ନର୍ଭ ମାନେ ବ୍ରେନର ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭିତରକୁ ଗଲେ
ୟେସ୍ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସେଇଟା ମୋଟର କୋଅର୍ଡିନେସନ ବିକଜ ସେଇଟା
ହଁ,
ଲେଖି ପାରିବେନି
ହଁ,
କେତେ
ନା
ପଢିପାରିବେ
ନା ନା. Then blurring of the vision, then muscle weakness, even quadriplegia. Quadriplegia মানে স্যার what is quadriplegia?
No idea, ma'am.
Paralysis of the both arm and leg. ମାନେ ଏଠି କ'ଣ ପେରିଫେରାଲ ବ୍ରେନ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କାମ କରୁନି, ଜେନେରାଲି ଦେଖିବେ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଏଜ୍ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ହେଇଥାଏ, ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରିବେନି ତାଙ୍କର ହାତ ଗୋଡ଼ କାମ କରୁନି ବୋଲି, ବଟ୍ ଦେ ଟ୍ରାଏ ଟୁ ଡୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍.
Okay.
ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ମସଲ୍ସ ୱିକନେସ୍. Okay, then fever is generally absent, consciousness is generally retained, the condition is generally fatal, and death occurs after 4 to 8 days later. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then characteristic, it is thermomobile, মানে botulism, food contaminated with the botulism, toxin heated for 100 degrees centigrade for a few minutes are safe for consumption. Generally, it is a infant botulism is most of the time due to the lack of knowledge, infants are suffering from this botulism toxin, that is it occurring in the infants less than 6 months of age, and it is generally infection of the gut by the Clostridium botulinum with subsequent in vivo production of the toxin. Vivo production ମାନେ तो गोटे आर्टिफिशियल ये रे आपनकर ए टॉक्सिन टा डेवलप हो जाए. Then toxin are then absorbed into the bloodstream and taken throughout the body, causing paralysis by blocking and release of the acetylcholine at the neuromuscular junction. So constipation, lethargy, weakness, difficulty in feeding, and an altered cry, often progressing to a complete 31 descending flaccid paralysis.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
The flaccid paralysis ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ମାନେ ନର୍ଭସ୍ ୱିକନେସ୍, ମାନେ ନର୍ଭ ଗୁଡାକ ମସଲ ଟୋନ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ପୁରା ୱିକ୍ ହେଇଯିବ. କ୍ଲିୟର?
Okay.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ହଁ,
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ବଟଲିଜମଟା ଇନଫାଣ୍ଟକୁ କେମିତି ଆଫେକ୍ଟ କରେ?
ଏଇଟା ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ସେ କ'ଣ କି ମାନେ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣିପାରୁନେ ଯୋଉ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ମୁଁ କହିଲିନି ଏଇ ସବୁ ଖାଦ୍ୟରେ ରହୁଛି
ଓକେ
ହେଲା, ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରୁନେ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଆମେ ଟିନ୍ ଫୁଡ ମନେକର ଆମେ କିଣିକି ଆଣୁଛେ ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ପିଜ୍, ଜେନେରାଲି ଆମେ ଏବେ କିଣିକି ଆଣୁଛେ. ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ମାଇ କଲିଗ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ପିଟା ସବୁଥିରେ ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ହେଲା,
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ସେ
ହଁ
ଆଣିକି ରଖିଦେଲେ, ରଖିକି
ହଁ
ତାପରେ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି. ତାପରେ କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମନେ ପଡ଼ିଲା, ଦେନ୍ ସି ଓପନ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଉ କିଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ନଲେଜ ନାହିଁ ଯେ ଏଇଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ଗରମ ପାଣିରେ ଇଏ କରିବି କି ତାକୁ ନର୍ମାଲ ଟେମ୍ପରେଚରକୁ ଆଣିବି କି କ'ଣ କରିବି, ସି ଫରଗଟ୍ ଟୁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ. ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଭେଜିଟେବୁଲ, ସେ ତ ଅଲରେଡି କ୍ୟାନ୍ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟଟା କିଣିଥିଲେ, ଆଉ ରସଗୋଲା ବି ଆମେ ବେଳେବେଳେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଆଣୁ. ସେ କ'ଣ
ହଁ
କଲେ ନା ତାକୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ଖାଇଲେ ହେଲା. ହୋଲ୍
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ୱାଜ୍ ଇନଫେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ବାଇ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ botulism, ମାନେ ସିମ୍ପଲି ସେମାନେ କୋମା ଷ୍ଟେଜକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ବିକଜ
Oh.
ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଦେ ଆର୍ ହାଇଲି ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ୍, ମାନେ ଡକ୍ଟର୍ସ ଆର୍ ଭେରି ମଚ୍ acquainted with them, ତେଣୁକରି ସେ ଜଣେ ଡକ୍ଟର ରେଗୁଲାର ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରନ୍ତି and they could come he could come to know and his family could survive. This is the most dangerous one. ତେଣୁକରି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ ଆଣୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁବେଳେ ତାକୁ ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି ତାର ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହିଁ ସାରନ୍ତୁ.
ଓକେ
Yes. So by discarding the product which has developed the sign of some spoilage of order, bulging of the can and gas bubbles on opening the can also, you can smell that thing, it is, or you can observe that thing, it is spoiled. Clear? ମାନେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ଟା ଫୁଲି ଯାଇଥିବ, ଗୋଟେ ଅଫ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଉଥିବ, ଆଉ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ବବୁଲ୍ସ ବି ବାହାରୁଥିବ, ତାହେଲେ botulism ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ. Clear? So during process, generally এটা develop ହେଇଥାଏ during processing ରେ ଯଦି କିଛି ତାଙ୍କର ହେଳା ହେଇଥାଏ ବା ଫୁଡ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କିଛି ଦେଖିପାରିନଥାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ elimination or recontamination of the processed food is, if it is not properly done, botulism bacteria may develop. So the proper heating of the food, proper heating of the processed food should be done. Clear? And another method is by proper storage also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then another one is most frequently আমি এটা দেখো wound botulism. Clear? So wound botulism result from the contamination of a wound with the bacteria, which then secrete the toxin into the bloodstream. This has become more common in intravenous drug user since 1990s in India, especially people using the black tar heroin and those injecting heroin into the skin rather than the veins. Ma'am, দেখিলে এটা
Yes, ma'am.
very dangerous. Then botulism antitoxin. Now it is thanks to the scientists who have developed this thing. So when a case of a botulism have occurred, antitoxin should be given to the all individual who is partaking of the food. And all of us should know this thing. The dose varies from 50,000 to 1 lakh unit for the antitoxin is of no value if the toxin is already fixed to the nervous tissue. ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଟକ୍ସିନ୍ ନର୍ଭ ଟିସ୍ୟୁକୁ ଆଫେକ୍ଟ କରିଯାଇଛି ତାହେଲେ କିଛି ଆପଣ ଫାଇଦା ନାହିଁ. So Gunadine hydrochloride given orally in doses of the 15 to 40 milligram per kg of the body weight have been shown to reverse the neuromuscular block of the botulism. Madam, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then prevention, a recommendation prevention measure for the infant botulism is to avoid giving honey to the infant less than 12 months of age, as botulium spores are often present. In older children and adults, the normal intestinal bacteria suppress the development of Clostridium botulinum. Commercially, canned goods are required to undergo a botulinum cook in pressure cooker at 121 degrees centigrade for 3 minutes. Madam, jadi if you are taking, then you do this.
Mm-hmm.
Then Clostridium perfringens for food poisoning. That is agent Clostridium perfringens, OLG ame generally kahu. It is incubation period is 6 to 24 hours with peak from 10 to 14 hours. Then organisms have been found in the feces of the human and animals, soil, water and air. The majority of the outbreak have been associated with the ingestion of the meat, meal dishes and poultry. Mechanism of action, the spores are able to survive even if you are cooking. If the cooked meat and poultry are not cooled enough, they will germinate again. The organism multiply between the 30 degrees to 50 degrees centigrade and produce a variety of the toxin such as alpha toxin and theta toxin, etc. So sign, diarrhea, abdominal cramp, little no fever, nausea and vomiting are very rare. এটা বেশি দেখা যায়. Illness is usually of the short duration. Recovery is rapid. No death have been recorded till now. Diagnosis. It can be diagnosed by the Nagler's reaction, where the suspect organism is cultured on an egg yolk media plate. So one side of the plate contains anti-alpha toxin, while the other side does not. A straight to suspect organism is placed through the both sides. An area of turbidity will form around the side that does not have the anti-alpha toxin, indicating uninhibited lethalness activity. This is the. এটা আপনাদের পড়িবনি ডায়াগনোসিসটা খালি আপনি জানান. Prevention, cook food just prior to its consumption or if it has to be stored by rapid and adequate cooling. ଆମେ ବେଳେବେଳେ ଗରମ ଥିବ ବି ନେଇକିରି ସମୟ ନଥାଏ ପୁରେଇ ଦେଇକି ଫ୍ରିଜରେ ଶୋଇବାକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସେ କିମ୍ବା ଯାହା ବଳିଛି ଗରମ ଅଛି that also sometimes very dangerous. Then serous food poisoning agent Bacillus cereus, which is an aerobic spore bearing motile gram positive rod. It is ubiquitous in soil and in raw, dried and processed food. The spore can survive in cooking and germinate and multiply rapidly when the food is held at favorable temperature. B. cereus has been recognized as a cause of the food poisoning with increasing in frequency in recent years. So enterotoxin, it produces at least two distinct enterotoxin causing two distinct form of the food poisoning, emetic form of the food poisoning and the diarrheal form of the food poisoning. Emetic form माने emetic form of food poisoning माने सर हेलो
ଜଣା ନାହିଁ
ଖାଲି ମାନେ ଖାଲି ବାନ୍ତି ହବ ହେଲା
Okay.
ଡାଇରିଆଲ ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଖାଲି ଝାଡା ହବ
ହୁଁ ହୁଁ
so two forms nowadays it is most frequently it is found among all the people. Emetic form short incubation period is between 1 to 6 hours. It is characterized predominantly by the upper gastrointestinal tract symptom. The emetic form is commonly caused by the rice cooked for a time and temperature insufficient to kill any spores present, then improperly refrigerated. It can produce a toxin cerulite, which is not inactivated by later reheating. This form leads to nausea and vomiting 1 to 5 hours after consumption. So emetic toxin can withstand 121 degrees centigrade for 90 minutes. Then diarrheal form, it is longer incubation period of about 12 to 24 hours. It is characterized predominantly by the diarrhea, abdominal pain, nausea with little no vomiting, then recovery within the 24 hours as usual. Toxins are bottom unstable. Enterotoxin can be inactivated after heating 56 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Diagnosis, it can be confirmed by the isolation of the organism of 105 or more B cases organism per gram of the epidemiologically incriminated food. Prognosis, most emetic patients recover within the 6 to 24 hours, but in some cases toxin can be fatal. In 2014, 23 neonates receiving total parental nutrition contaminated with B. cereus developed septicemia, with 3 of the infants later dying as a result of the infection. Septicemia mane madam? Hello? Septicemia?
no idea ma'am.
No idea.
Blood poisoning. Blood poisoning. Poisoning of the blood.
Okay.
माने जोटा कि माने जदि ताकू इमीडिएट आपण पॉइजनस ब्लड बाहर न कराला आपण को होल बॉडी विल बी पॉइजनस एंड यू आर गोइंग टू डाई.
Okay.
जनरली बेले बेले बहुत ड्रग रू भी ही जाए आपनकर माने ब्लड टा प्यूरिफाई ही पर नथिबो सेही समय रे भी ही जाए. देन डिफरेंशियल डायग्नोसिस माने आपण कोलेरा अक्यूट बेसिलरी डिसेंट्री आर्सेनिक पॉइजनिंग एटा को केमते आपण डायग्नोसिस करिवे. It is not necessary. I have just given you the idea to माने बैक्टीरियल पॉइजनिंग और टॉक्सिक जो हेची कि नहीं आपण केमी जानते डॉक्टर केमी जानि ए लोकटा. These are the symptoms. Then cholera and food poisoning difference कारण आपण फूड पॉइजनिंग हेले कोन आइदर झाड़ा होची माने जेमिति ले होची आपनकर डायरिया होची very common symptom. There is difference between the cholera and food poisoning. Food poisoning is often single group of person who share a common meal, whereas cholera occur upon an epidemic form associated with the other cases in the neighborhood. Then incubation from few hours up to 5 days in case of the cholera. Food poisoning, it is 1 to 24 hours. and within purging onset with purging and with vomiting, nausea and retching, none, and it is food poisoning present. Vomiting, projectile, effortless, water and continuous, often single, severe vomit, mucus and blood spray. Stool, copious, rice, watery, inoffensive, frequent may contain mucus and blood, offensive also. These are the symptom actually difference between the diarrhea and cholera. Cholera and the bacterial infection, the food poisoning. Investigation of the food poisoning. Another food poisoning also, so generally I have discussed here the sir आपनकर क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली 25 मार्क्स रो पडिथिला गोटे वर्ष जोटा कि बैक्टेरियल फूड पॉइजनिंग सेट पे एटा मु करथिली किंतु अनदर जोटा हमें जानिचे जे फंगल इंटॉक्सिकेंट्स भी आपनकर करूचनी सो यू कैन राइट आल्सो माइकोटॉक्सिन and aflatoxin already we have discussed and potulin sir हमें पढिथिले लास्ट कंटामिनेंट रे तो जनरली potulin टा कोथरे होची सर এই जो मोल्ड टा जनरली आपनकर आपुल रे हमें पाए
Okay.
apple product ଆଉ ମାନେ apple ରେ ଏଇଟା ହେଇଥାଏ. So major human dietary sources of the botulin are apples and apple juice made from affected fruit. Acute symptom in the ହେଲା ଆର botulin ର ଆପଣଙ୍କର liver, spleen and kidney damage and toxicity to the immune system. Immunological defense ଆମେ ଆର contamination class ରେ ପଢିଥିଲେ ନା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଲେଖିନି ସାର୍.
Yes, ma'am.
तापरे मैडम आउ गोटे आपन कहितले अफ्लाटोटॉक्सिन उपरे जोटा कि एस्पेरागस ये रु बाहरुची
Yes. Yes.
हां सेटा को ये रहउची जनरली एटा इट इज अफेक्टेड ऑल द क्रॉप्स माने सीरियल मक्का
Okay.
माने कॉर्न सरगम व्हीट एंड राइस ऑयल सीड आल्सो सोयाबीन पीनट आपनकर सनफ्लावर को कॉटन सीड को आउ स्पाइसेस आपनकर माने चिली लंका गछ आपनको देखैतली बदे एटा asparagus aflatoxin.
Yes, ma'am.
So chili, pepper, black pepper, coriander, turmeric and ginger and tree nut like माने आपनकर जो बादाम गछ सब pistachio, almond, walnut as well as coconut also. These toxin which are they can also found in the milk and milk products if they are contaminated with this contaminated crop. So, it is shown to be genotoxic, meaning माने कोन genotoxic माने they can damage your DNA, very dangerous DNA and cause cancer in the हमरो माने in the human being. Carcinogenic से पे कहली जे aflatoxin is a carcinogenic जोटा हमें liver cirrhosis रे पढिथिले सर पढि नथले
Yes, ma'am. Liver cirrhosis.
liver cirrhosis. So clear now?
Yes.
माइकोटॉक्सिन बटुलिन आपण एटा भी लेखि परिबे जदि एटा अधिक 60 नंबर रो थिबो यू कैन ऐड दिस थिंग.
Okay.
हां आ गोटे पढित्री सर अफ्लाटॉक्सिन से कंटामिनेशन रे माने जोटा कि से एस्पेरागस एंड पेनिसिलियम ये रु आसुची एंड मोस्ट कॉमन फूड कंटामिनेटिव माने माइकोटॉक्सिन. दिस इज जनरली अगेन सीरियल एंड सीरियल प्रोडक्ट कॉफी बीन आउ आपनकर कोथ हबो फ्रूट वाइन रु हबो ग्रेप जूस रु हबो स्पाइसेस रु हबो आउ इट इज जनरल इट इज अकर वर्ल्ड वाइड. It is formed during the storage of the crop and known to cause a number of toxic effects in the animal species. So the most sensitive and notable effect is your kidney damage. Aflatoxin कौन करछि आपनकर kidney damage करछि. Aflatoxin कौन करछि आपनकर carcinogenic as well as damage to your DNA. So you should know the difference. Yeah.
Yes.
No. Then besides all of these things, another toxin already we have discussed in our viral hepatitis. Hepatitis रे हमें पढ़थले A B C नो से जो
Yes.
herpes virus से कौन करूची ना आपनकर माने साइटोमेगालोवायरस एपिसेटिन बार भाइरस and varicella zoster virus, herpes simplex virus, ये कौन करती है आपनकर that also leads to your develops the, but you can say it is the inflammation of your liver result in the diffuse hepatic cell death କରି ଦଉଛି hepatic cell ର ସବୁ liver ର death କରେଇ ଦେଲା ପରେ it leads to the liver necrosis ମାନେ liver cell ଗୁଡ଼ା ମରି ଯାଉଛି. So common symptoms include the fever, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, jaundice, and right upper quadrant abdominal tenderness, dark urine, pale stool. That clear? I mean hepatitis रे जोड़ा पढ़ते that also you can write. That is also due to the contamination of the water or the contamination of the food. If you are taking, then you are also going to suffer from these viruses. Then another one is, all of you know what is ricket?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rickettsia ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ମାନେ it is a diverse group of the bacteria जोटा कि ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ bite of the fleas ଟିଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ ନଥାଏ sir ମାଛି fleas mites ଏମାନଙ୍କ ସେମାନେ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କାମୁଡୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ଆମକୁ ଆସୁଛି which can be transmitted to the human being via bites of the fleas, lice, tick and mites. ତ ମନେ ରହିଲା ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ମୁଁ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା କହୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ.
Okay, ma'am.
Several rickettsia which is present in the Australia and they are able to capable of causing the disease and death in the people also. So these species include already that is most of the time it is found in the Australia. So although rickettsial infections are relatively rare, they have been reported along the eastern Australian seaboard and Flinders Island and the east coast of the Tasmania, as well as the peninsula of the South Australia and southern coastal Western Australia, which is spread by this rickettsia is spread by the human body lice, माने मुंडरे जो उकुनी हुई, can result in the outbreak of the disease, but only seen in the conflict setting and refugee camp. Is that clear?
Okay.
So infection कौन होची आर actually एटा जो ताकर माने टिक रो जो उकुनी रो माने लाळ रो एटा आसुची सर माने से माने हमको कामुडिले तापरे हमर से शरीर रे सेटा होची कौन होची commonly we are getting the infection आग होची कोथरे सर fever होची headache होची muscle ache होची then swollen lip gland cough and rash. Generally आपे treatment है आपनकर tetracycline antibiotic doxycycline which reduces the duration of the severity of the infection. So clear?
Yes.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ମାନେ ଆମର trichinosis ଆମ generally virus ଗୁଡାକ ପଢା ହୁଏ ସେଥିରେ ହୁଏ that is also very common thing but it is not in your course you can try it ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା ହେଇଯିବ ଯୋଉଟା କି generally poultry meat ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ଆମ ଶରୀରକୁ ଆସେ. These are the actually one type of parasites. ଆମେ ପଢିଥିଲେ ନା ପ୍ରଥମ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ରେ ମାନେ this is parasites this ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର rickettsia ଆଉ ଯୋଉ କଣ trichinosis ଏମାନେ ହେଲେ these are the parasites.
जोटा मीट और पोल्ट्री रो अछि सेटा माने
Trichinosis
प्रेशर कुक और पर्टिकुलर टेंपरेचर रे भी सेटा नष्ट हो नांते
ना.
ओके.
So generally this other processing method do not kill the parasites. Parasites को कई माने किछि मेथड मारि परिबे तो केवल तांको पई दरकार कोन आपण जो टेट्रासाइक्लिन जोटा कहली सेटा को आपण खाउछन माने विथ द प्रेस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द गुड डॉक्टर.
ओके.
आउ एलर्जेन तो यू कैन अवॉइड ओनली जोटा आपण को एलर्जी कहूची you have to simply method है you have to avoid that food. Clear?
Yes.
So these are the food poisoning. Generally bacterial पचरा जाए तो I have given detail in the bacterial poison.
Okay, ma'am.
Then how do you investigate? That is secure complete list of the people involved and their history should be recorded. Laboratory investigation, animal experiments, blood for the antibodies, environmental study, analysis of the data according to the descriptive method of time, place, and person. A case control study may be undertaken to establish the epidemiologic association between illness and intake of the particular food. So, ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏପିଡେମିଓଲୋଜି ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଫୁଡ ପଏଜନିଂ ହେଇଛି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ କରିବେ? Clear? How do you prevent and control?
Okay.
Then prevention and control, meat inspection, personal hygiene, excluding disease food handlers, food handling techniques, then sanitary improvement. That is clean, separate, cook and chill. These are the 4 steps to the food safety you should maintain. Then besides that, at the household level, cook and eat the food same day immediately. Food held between the 10 degrees centigrade to 49 degrees centigrade are in danger zone for the bacterial growth. Madam, এটা মনে রাখନ୍ତୁ।
Okay, ma'am.
এটা মানে আমি যেমন রেফ্রিজারেটেড ইউজ করুছে we should know within 7 days you have to clean all মানে রেফ্রিজারেশন ଆପଣ ସଫା କରିବେ ତାକୁ ରେଫ୍ରିଜରେଟରକୁ ସବୁ କାଢିବେ ପୁଣି କ୍ଲିନ୍ କରିବେ again you put your all the foods.
हम क्लीन करे ପାଇଁ କିଛି ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ କେମିକାଲ ୟୁଜ କରିବାର ଅଛି କି
ନା ଆମେ ଜେନେରାଲି ଫ୍ରିଜ କାରଣ ଆମେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ପଦାର୍ଥ ରଖୁଛେ ତ ଆମେ ସେଇଟା କରୁନା ସୋଡା ଜେନେରାଲି ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରୁ କିନ୍ତୁ it is not also advised.
Okay.
So then another if you will be an officer, then administrative officer of a particular district, then what will you do? What is your duty? This is your surveillance. Is that clear? Food authorities, they will be coordinated body, Ministry of Health and food authorities set up Ministry of Health, Ministry of Agriculture, veterinary authorities, non-veterinary reference lab, industry, then National Food Reference Lab, non-governmental organization, National Human Reference Lab, public health authorities. All will be coordinated body, collection, collation, analysis, interpretation of the data, and dissemination of the information to avoid food poisoning. Clear, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
এটা আপনাকে বহিরে মিলিবনি, but you will write because so কাহিଁକି ଲେଖିବେ ଏଇଟା? Because it is your role only.
Okay. Right.
ଆଉ ପଢିବା କି food spoilage ନା କାଲି ପଢିବା? So clear food poisoning and food contamination.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Food contamination रो आ सहित बहुत relationship ଅଛି.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
Hello.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଏଇ ପିପିଟି ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଗ୍ରୁପରେ ସେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେବେ କି?
ହଁ ମୁଁ କାଲି ଗ୍ରୁପରେ କରିବି। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି କାରଣ ମୁଁ ଏଟାକୁ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ଭାବରେ ଦେବି ବୋଲି ଭାବିଥିଲି।
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆମେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକର ବି ଏଇ ପିପିଟିଟା ଆମକୁ ମିଳୁନି ମାନେ
ମୁଁ
ସେଇଟା ତ ଆମେ
ଗତ କ୍ଲାସରେ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି।
ସେଟା ମିଳିନି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ।
ତାହେଲେ ଚିରଞ୍ଜିତ
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଲିଭର ଚିରୋସିସଟା ହିଁ ଆସିଥିଲା।
କୋଉଟା?
ଲିଭର ଚିରୋସିସଟା ହିଁ ଆସିଥିଲା।
ଗୋଟେ ହିଁ ଆସିଛି।
ଗୋଟେ ପଠେଇଛି ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ଲିଭର ସିରୋସିସ୍ ପଠେଇଛି ଆଉ ଫୁଡ ଇଏଟା ବି ପଠେଇଛି।
ଖାଲି ଲିଭର ସିରୋସିସଟା ଆସିଥିଲା ମ୍ୟାମ୍, ଫୁଡ ଆଉ ଇଏଟା ଆସିନଥିଲା।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ମୁଁ ଫୁଡ କଣ୍ଟାମିନେସନ ଯାଇନି
ନା ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ଚେକ୍ କରିବି ତାହେଲେ। ଠିକ ଅଛି ଫୁଡ କଣ୍ଟାମିନେସନ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫୁଡ ସେୟାର
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ କଣ୍ଟାମିନେସନଟା ଆସିଛି।
ଆସିଛି ନା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ପଠେଇଥିଲି।
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଆଉ ଥେରାପ୍ୟୁଟିକ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିସନଟା ଆମେ କୋଉଠୁ ପଢିବୁ?
ଥେରାପେଟିକ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିସନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କୋଉ ବୁକ୍
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଥେରାପେଟିକ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିସନ ଦେयर ଆର୍ ସୋ मेनी ବୁକ୍ସ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ନୋଟ୍ସ ଦେଇଛୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଏନଫ୍ ଫର୍ ୟୁ ଫର୍ ଦ 20 ମାର୍କ 40 ମାର୍କ କାରଣ ଦିଟା କି ତିନିଟା ରୋଗର ଯଦି ପଡୁଛି ମିଶିକିରି କାରଣ ଯୋଉ ପିପିଟି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ନୋଟ୍ସ ଦେଇଛି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଏନଫ୍ ଫର୍ ୟୋର ଆନ୍ସର। जदि आपण डिटेल स्टडी करिया चाहउछंती बी श्रीलक्ष्मी एंड कोरिन एच रॉबिन्सन दिस इज वेरी कॉस्टली
मामा आउथरे टिके कहबे
बी श्रीलक्ष्मी
आज्ञा
आ गोटे बही है मैडम कोरिन एच रॉबिन्सन बाय थेरापेटिक न्यूट्रिशन ह्यूमन न्यूट्रिशन
मैम कोरिन
कोरिन एच रॉबिन्सन
आज्ञा
किंतु सेटा मैडम आपण किनिबेनी का एटा इट इज वेरी कॉस्टली मिनिमम 2000 और 3000
आज्ञा ओके मैम
आपण पर जदि किछि डाउट अछि यू कैन आस्क मी आई विल अगेन आई विल गिव यू द नोट्स ओके
आज्ञा ठीक अछि मैम
फूड स्पॉइलेज पढ़िबे की
हाँ
ओके anyone who will say me what is food spoilage hello what is food spoilage
खाद्य नष्ट होइका ପାଇଁ ମାନେ various factor ପାଇଁ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଏ
actually some
Physical.
physical as well as the changes you will
health
see,
chemical
which is not desirable clear and afterwards you are having the it also affects your health not only it affects your health it is also affects your economy clear so food spoilage is the process of change in physical chemical microbial and sensory properties sir what is sensory properties
टेस्ट स्मेल
टेस्ट हाँ स्मेल आमे जेते आखि रे देखि करी भी जानि पारु जे and sensory properties of the food so that it becomes unfit for human consumption so it is the undesirable change in food such changes can be detected by smell taste touch and sight another definition in very simplest way that is spoilage of the food can be defined as any visible or invisible change which can make the food or product derived from the food as unacceptable for human consumption. Clear? Then, on the basis of these food spoilage, you can classify your food into three groups. That it can be classified into the three groups on the basis of the moisture content of the food. That is perishable food, high level of the moisture, semi-perishable food, medium level of moisture, non-perishable food, low moisture. You can give me one example perishable food.
A fish.
Yes, all the fruits, madam, these are the perishable foods.
Yes, ma'am.
Semi-perishable, these are the ମାନେ କିଛି ଦିନ ଆପଣ ରଖି ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ନନ୍ ପେରିସେବଲ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଦ ସିରିଏଲ୍ ପଲ୍ସେସ୍ ମାନେ ଆପଣ ତାକୁ କିଛି ଦିନ ଅଧିକା ରଖି ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି କ୍ଲିୟର
Yes, ma'am.
perishable food which food those are likely to spoil decay or not quickly so that they become unsafe for consumption unless special preservation used perishable commodities usually require some sort of refrigerated storage. Perishable food include dairy products, egg, meat, fish, poultry, fruits and vegetables, cooked foods and leftovers. Semi-perishable, those do not require refrigeration but having medium level of moisture but still have a limited shelf life. They include foods like potatoes, apple and onions. Non-perishable, that are spoiled under normal storage condition for a reasonable long time are known as the non-perishable food. They food having shelf life but do not require refrigeration. These items usually kept under dry and cool storage and are protected from the moisture, that is flour, sugar, pulses, toast, biscuit, etc. Characteristic. Food deterioration is manifested by the reduction in the aroma, flavor, texture, and nutritional value of the food. Different type of undesirable changes may occur due to the spoilage in food are listed below. So ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ you are having this food, having the fresh food, then deterioration at the seventh stage it is complete deterioration. Nowadays also doctor recommended to eat this pigmented banana. Why do you eat this pigmented banana? এটা କିଛି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି?
ସେଟା କଣ କହିଲେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଆଉଥରେ
ଏଇ
କହିବେ
ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କଦଳୀଟା ଏବେ କଳା ଛିଟ ହେଇଗଲା ଆମେ ଆଗରୁ ଖାଉନଥିଲେ ମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ସଢିଗଲା ଭଳିଆ କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଡକ୍ଟର ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟାକୁ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ।
ସେଟା ଖାଇଲେ କଫ ହୁଏନି ସେଥିପାଇଁ।
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ନନ୍ କ୍ୟାସିନୋଜେନିକ ପିଗମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ
ଓକେ
ଖାଇଲେ
ଓକେ
ମାନେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ହବନି ମାନେ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ନାଉ ଡକ୍ଟର ଇଜ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ ଆଡଭାଇସ୍ ୟୁ
ଓକେ ଓକେ
only in case of the banana and not all the fruits. So change in color. The fruits like banana turn black after storing for a long period of time and reduce the acceptability of food that is black, soft and fermented. Change in smell. Rancid smell of spoiled oil, fatty food, bitter smell of cod, sour smell of starchy foods. That gives you the that is the symptom of your spoilage of the food. Change in the consistency also, curdling of the stick, milk, stickiness, and undesirable viscosity in spoiled cooked dal, curries, and vegetable. Then changes in the texture also occur. Some vegetable like potato, brinjal, carrot undergo too much softening, leading to rotting. Changes in the firmness, long formation, which take place in the powder material like the milk powder and wheat flour. Changes due to the mechanical damage. This damage such as egg with broken shell, bruising of the fruits, vegetable during the harvesting, packaging, transportation, and handling causes damage. These gradual changes that cause deterioration and decay in food may occur due to the certain organism and chemicals present in the food and outside of the food. Then types of food spoilage. Food may be contaminated by the air, water, plant, soil, food handler, machinery and equipment, sewage and crop and or cars during the transportation. Foods get spoiled due to the any one or more of the following regime. It is coming under physical damage like cut and bruises, chemical like enzyme of the food, biological changes brought about by the microorganism and the enzymes. Clear? So physical damage or physical spoilage is the caused by improper temperature, compact stacking with the leads to change in the structure of the food. Chemical, the changes which are brought about by enzymes present in the food that is intrinsic in nature, or that you can say it is the enzyme which is inside the fruit or vegetables or inside the food product, those produced by the microorganism extrinsic are of the different kind.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ହଁ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କେମିତି ଡିଷ୍ଟିଂଗୁଇଶ କରିବା କେମିକାଲି ସ୍ପଏଲେଜ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲିକି?
ଆପଣ ଆପଣ କୋଉଟା ମୁଁ କହିବି ଆପୁଲଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରଖିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଶୁଖି ସେଟା ଶୁଖି ଶୁଖି ଯାଉଛି
ହଁ
ଦେଖିବେ ଯେତିକି ଫ୍ରେଶ ଆଣିଲା ବେଳେ ଯେତିକି ସାଇଜ ଥିବ ହେଲା ଯଦି
ହଁ
ଗୁଡ କ୍ୱାଲିଟିର ହେଇଥିବ କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ ସେଟା ଶୁଖିକି ତାଠୁ କମ ସାଇଜର ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ।
ହଁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ ମୋ କଥା?
ହଁ
ସେଟା
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ହଉଛି କେମିକାଲ।
ଓକେ
ମାନେ ମଏଶ୍ଚରଟା ତାର ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କେମିକାଲ ଇଏଟା ମାନେ କଣ ଆପୁଲର ଯୋଉ ଇନସାଇଡ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିଏଣ୍ଟଟା that is going to be dehydrated.
ଓକେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍
Then oxidizing enzymes destroy vitamin C and produce deterioration in flavor. Proteolytic enzymes produce decomposition of the proteins like meat, fish, egg, and milk. Amylolytic enzymes hydrolyze carbohydrates. Lipolytic enzymes produce breakdown of the fat into the fatty acid and glycerol that are then oxidized to peroxide and aldehydes associated with the rancidity or a bitter taste in the fatty food. Then what is biological spoilage? These factors
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
are
ସେ ଯୋଉ କେମିକାଲଟା ଥିଲା ସେଟା ଇଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସିକ୍ ଆଉ ଏକ୍ସଟେନ୍ସିକ୍ କଣ ଥିଲା ସେଟା
ମାନେ
ବୁଝିଲାନି ଯେମିତି ହେଲା।
ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଭିତରର ନିଜର ଏନଜାଇମଟା ଅଛି ଟମାଟୋ ମନେକର ହେଲା ଟମାଟୋ ଯୋଉ ପଚି ଯାଉଛି କଣ ପାଇଁ ତା ଭିତରର ଏନଜାଇମ ଯୋଗୁଁ ସେ ପଚିଗଲା
ଓକେ
ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରେସନିକ କ୍ଲିୟର
ହଁ ହଁ ହଁ
ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରେସନିକ କଣ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଟମାଟୋ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ମାଡ଼ ହେଇଯାଇଛି କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ
ହଁ ହଁ
କ୍ଲିୟର
ତ ସେଇଟା ଫିଜିକାଲ ହେଲା ନା ତ କେମିକାଲ ନୁହଁ
ଫିଜିକାଲ
ସେଇଟା।
ହେଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଟକ୍ସିକ ମାନେ ମାଇକ୍ରୋବ୍ସ ତା ଉପରେ ରହିକିରି ମାନେ ଅଲରେଡି ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫଙ୍ଗସ
ଯଦି
ଲାଗିଯାଇଛି
ଏକ୍ସଟର୍ନାଲି ହେଲା ଏକ୍ସଟେନ୍ସିଭ
ହଁ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଏକ୍ସଟେନ୍ସିଭ
ହଉ
କ୍ଲିୟର
yes
ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଏକ୍ସଟେନ୍ସିଭ ଏଇଟା ତା ଭିତରର ଯୋଗୁଁ ହେଇନି ଏଇଟା
ହୁଁ
ମାଇକ୍ରୋବ୍ସ ଯୋଗୁଁ ହେଇଛି so biological which factor that spoil the food are microorganisms which like mold yeast bacteria and the enzymes which settle in the food at different stages. The changes brought about in the food are mainly in the form of fermentation, putrefaction, and decay. Fermentation kono? It is an anaerobic enzymatic conversion of the carbohydrate into the ethyl alcohol. It is caused by the Streptococcus and Micrococcus. And putrefaction kono? It is the enzymatic decomposition of the protein present in the food with the production of the foul smelling compounds such as the hydrogen sulfide and ammonia. अंडाटा पचिगले जोटा गंध होची it is caused by the pseudomonas and proteins. Then factors affecting food spoilage, one is your microorganism, already we have discussed. Then enzymes, air, light, insect and rodent, physical damage. Temperature, time. Is that clear? These are the factors. आपको डिटेल में पढ़ी भी सर
ना मैम तो
these are the very common
ବଢିଆ
then sequence of the events in food spoilage केमती होची प्रथमे microorganism have get into the food form a source or more then food environment should favor the growth of these microbes then food need to be stored under the growth condition for sufficient length of the time then to allow the sufficient number of necessary to cause the spoilage or changes in the food then to allow the produced enzyme to spoil the food completely. This is the sequence of events in food spoilage. Then meat spoilage, different type of foods, how it spoil. Actually, ଆପଣଙ୍କର cereal product ଯେତେକ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା group ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର different type of spoilage are there. We will discuss only the main food which we generally use in our daily life. So your meat spoilage, sources of contamination, cutting board contamination, conveyor belts, temperature, delay between the storage and distribution, fecal contamination from the intestine. Storage temperature is the single most important control factor for the meat spoilage. Then several genera of the molds grow on the surface of the meat and can cause spoilage like penicillium, mucor, cladosporium, ultramaria, but cannot grow on meat stored below the 5 degrees centigrade. Meat spoilage is characterized by the appearance of off odor and slime, which are manifest when surface load exceeds 170 এটা হচ্ছে CFU per centimeter মানে centrifugal pressure जोटा CFU under centimeter square. The slime is due to the accumulation of the bacterial cell. Interestingly, meat spoilage, including poultry and fish, occurs without any significant breakdown of the primary protein structure. Instead, spoilage bacteria utilize glucose-free amino acids and other simple nitrogenous compounds to attain the population above 108 CFU per centimeter square, at which point the organoleptic quality of the meat will clearly reveal it is spoiled. Fresh meat, chemical composition, 75% of water and 18% of protein, 3% fat, 1% ash, and traces of the carbohydrate, vitamin, etc. Whole meat, the microflora of the fresh meat is composed primarily of the gram-negative aerobic ROS, that is Pseudomonas species. These are the Phycobacter immobiles. These are the bacteria which grow in the meat. Then bacillus and clostridia are also common in all type of meat. Although substance portion of meat are generally sterile, some parts such as lymph nodes may be heavily contaminated. Mechanical distortion of the tissue during the processing can also distribute the microorganism from the meat surface throughout the product. Then ground meat, जोटा sausage by ଆମେ ତିଆରି ହେଉଛି. Some molecular as well as the whole meat always have higher microbial loads. Why? Greater surface area, ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଢ଼େଇଥିଲି ବି sausage is the highest infected the contaminated food. Greater surface area which give the microbes better access to the food and also traps air to favor the growth of the gram-negative aerobic bacteria like Pseudomonas species. Every handling or processing or storage utensil, cutting knives, grinders, step can contribute additional contamination. Only heavily contaminated piece, that is your lymph node, can contaminate the entire lot when they are ground together.
मैम ग्राउंड मीट माने कौन?
ଏଟାକୁ ମାନେ କଣ କହିଲେ ମେସିନ୍ ଗ୍ରାଇଣ୍ଡରରେ ପୁରା ଗ୍ରାଇଣ୍ଡ କରାହେଇଥିବ
जोटा कहतले सूप जिंती
ହଁ
कहतले
ଯୋଉ ସସେଜ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଥିଲି ଜେନେରାଲି ଫରେନରେ ମାନେ ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ମିଟ୍ ଖାଆନ୍ତି ବେଶୀ ସସେଜ ହିଁ ବେଶୀ ଖାଆନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ
अच्छा
ଦେନ୍ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ୟୁମ୍
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କିମା ଟାଇପ ର ଯୋଉଟା ବନାନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା କି?
ହଁ କିମାର କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ଏମିତି ଲମ୍ବା ହେଇକି ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ଖାଉନେ ଏଗ ରୋଲ ହେରିକା ଏଇଟା କେବଳ
Yes, ma'am.
ହେଇଥିବ ତା ଦେହରେ ଖାଲି ମାନେ ଟିକେ କ'ଣ ବ୍ରେଡ୍ କ୍ରମ୍ସ ବା କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଥିବେ ହାଡ଼ ଲାଗିବା ପାଇଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ସସେଜ ଖାଲି ମାଂସ କିମା ହେଇକି ହେଇଥିବ ମାନେ ପୁରା ଗୁଣ୍ଡ ଗୁଣ୍ଡ ହେଇକି ହେଇଥିବ. Not all oxygen is removed during the packaging, but residual is consumed by the respiration of the aerobic and the tissue itself. Then result in the increased carbon dioxide level and thus it longer shelf life. The microflora shifts from the predominantly to the gamma-negative anaerobics and microaerophilic lactic and bacteria like the lactobacillus, Corynebacterium, and Leuconosta. If nitrates have been added to the vacuum packaged meat, then Clostridium botulinum in ham and bacon. I mean, nitrates particular ଅଧିକା that is kidney damage କରୁଛି. Lab domination is even more pronounced. In general, vacuum packaged meat are considered very safe food and free from most pathogenic species of bacteria. Spoilage in vacuum packaged meat is manifested by slime development and overgrowth of the microbe, greening caused by the microbial production of the hydrogen peroxide and hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen peroxide production in meat has been associated with several types of the lactic acid bacteria, off-odors which result from the release of the short-chain fatty acid and the production of the volatile compound like the acetone, diacetyl, and the hydrogen sulfide, etc. So the type of spoilage bacteria that will dominate is influenced by several factors which include, that is, if it is raw or cooked. Cooked products have a higher pH which may allow growth of the gamma facultative anaerobic pathogen like Enterocolitis, and raw product have a pH 5.6 which favors the lactic acid bacteria. Then nitrate concentration in meat, that is, it favors lactic acid bacteria. Low nitrate level may allow growth of the Brocophytes thermospecta, that is gamma rod. These are the bacterial name only.
pH value कौन ସେଥିରେ effect ପକାଏ?
ମାନେ pH ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର pH କେତିକି level ଆମ blood ର pH କେତେ acidic ଆଉ alkaline level जोटा ଆମେ कहूଛୁ.
अच्छा
pH value. Then processed meat, hot dogs and sausage and like luncheon meat जोटा हम generally खाऊ, the same thing that is in detail. Then poultry and egg spoilage, same general trends are the same as the fresh meat. whole birds have lower count than the cut-up birds. Additional processing step to be microbial load. When poultry is in advanced stage of spoilage, the skin will often fluorescence under ultraviolet because so many
मैम ये
fluorescence
माइक्रोवेल लोड
माने जो माइक्रोब्स माने बैक्टेरिया सब जन्म नेबे अधिक लोड हे टू द माइक्रोबायल लोड माने केते प्रकार बैक्टेरिया अछि ना हमें पढिले जोटा फेवर करबो से अधिक हे ग्रोथ हे ताका So taku कहते add to the microbial load. Not only one type of microbes. Microbes are many types. More than 250 microbes are there. So anyone which favors the condition, it will develop. It will grow. Clear? So off orders generally appear before the slimeness develop. The same bacteria can produce visceral taint, a condition manifest by the off order in the abdominal cavity of the poultry. ସେଇଠୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ପୋଲ୍ଟ୍ରିର ଯଦି ଖରାପ ହେଇଛି ପୋଲ୍ଟ୍ରିଟା କେମିତି ଜାଣିବ ତା ଆବଡୋମିନାଲ କ୍ୟାଭିଟିରୁ ଏଇ ସ୍ମେଲଟା ଆସିବ visceral taint with the smell. The point to remember, during the initial stages of the spoilage, the skin supports bacterial growth better than does the tissue. ତେଣୁକରି ଆମେ ସ୍କିନ୍ଟାକୁ ଆଗ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରିବୁ. So the skin can sometimes be removed to salvage the food. Clear? Then egg. Egg have several intrinsic parameters which help to protect the nutrient-rich air from the microbial attack. এটা automatically भगवान ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ନିଜକୁ protect କରିବା ପାଇଁ. କିନ୍ତୁ till then ଆମେ ଯଦି ତାର ଗୋଟେ period କୁ cross କରି ଯାଉଛେ then that egg is going to get affected by this black rot. So these include cell and associated membrane as well as the lysozyme and high pH greater than 9.0 in the white. Freshly laid eggs are generally sterile but soon become contaminated with numerous genera of the bacteria. Eventually, these microbials will penetrate the egg cell and spoilage will occur. Pseudomonads are common spoilage agent and molds like Penicillium. It is Penicillium garage. Penicillium and Cladoporium sometimes grow in the air sac and spoil the egg. Fish spoilage. They have nitrogen content but no carbohydrate. The microbial quality of the fish is especially shellfish, which is heavily influenced by the quality of the water from which they were harvested. Unsanitized processing steps are principal culprit in fish products with high microbial loads. In general, frozen fish products have lower count than the fresh product. Bacteria on the fresh fish are concentrated on the outer slime, gills, and intestine. Spoilage of the salt and freshwater fish occurs in similar way. The most susceptible part of the fish is to spoilage is the gill region. ତେଣୁକରି ଆମେ ମାଛର ଗାଲିଟା ଦେଖିକି ଆଣୁ. And the best way to detect the spoilage is in fresh fish is sniff this area for the off odors produced by the pseudomonas. The odor include ammonia, ethylamine, and hydrogen sulfide and other compounds. If fish are not viscerated quickly, bacteria will move through the intestinal wall and invade the meat that lies next to the abdominal cavity. So,
मैम जो ऑर्डर्स इंक्लूड कोला सेटा कोन थला
माने आपनकर स्मेल टा जो ऑर्डर माने स्मेल
हां नहीं से जो अमोनिया जो
अमोनिया
ट्राई
स्मेल
मान
दबो अमोनिया स्मेल दबो किबा ट्राइथाइलिन रो दबो किबा हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड
एटा केमिकल सेटी रिएक्शन होता है ना एटा सेटी दिया हुए ना कोन
आमे जो नाइट्रोजन टा देई थाउ माने माने जेतोल ट्रीटमेंट करिया पे कोन माछटा हम पाखे पहुंचिया पूर्व पई आमे समस्त घर पाखे तो पोखरी ओरिका नाही ना everybody is not eating the fresh fish. जनरली बॉम्बे ओरिका रे कोन होची से माने दे आर गिविंग द नाइट माने जो ट्रीटमेंट टा दउचंती सेतरे कोन होची ना दिस फिश आर माने बहुत दिन हे गले दे डेवलप दिस ऑर्डर
अच्छा
माने इस कमनास एंड एंटीबैक्टीरियल कोन मास्टरसेला बैक्टीरिया डेवलप करूची से माने कोन करते ना ये अमोनिया स्मेल टा दउचंती नले ट्राइथाइलिन नले हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड
हां
आपण सेटा जानिथिबे आपण जानि परिबे से स्मेल रो एटा खराब बेली
बुझली
Then spoilage of the crustacean মানে এটা কোন crustacean মানে যে ocean food গুড়াক shrimp, lobster, crab and crayfish, which is similar but the product have some carbohydrate and more free amino acids, so spoilage can occur more rapidly. Molasses, that is have more carbohydrate 3 to 5% and less nitrogen than the either fish or shellfish. Microflora of the mollusk can vary great deal depending on the quality of the water from which they were harvested. Shellfish are filter feeder can be expected to contain almost any microorganism or virus that occur in the water where they were cooked. If these products are taken from the clean water, then the usual Pseudomonas or Antibacter moraxa types of spoilage bacteria dominate. Then milk. Already milk केमती spoil होचे हमें जानू छे, that is due to the one of the soil and fecal bacteria under the milking utensil can include gamma negative, gamma positive, yeast and mold. When properly handled and stored, the flora pasteurized milk is primarily gamma positive bacteria. Psychotropic Pseudomonas are common bulk stored in the raw milk, produced heat stable enzyme that can reduce the milk quality and shelf life. আমি যেমন প্যাকেট মিল্ক আনুଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ directly you know that it is pasteurized and you take it as it is, it should not be. So pasteurization kills only gamma negative, yeast and molds. Some gamma enzymes, thermotolerant, gamma positive bacteria and spores survive. So psychotropic bacillus species are also common in raw milk. Pasteurized fluid milk. So spoiled by variety of bacteria, yeast and mold. The milk is more frequently spoiled by aerobic sporoforma such as bacillus, whose proteolytic enzyme cause curdling. Molds may grow on the surface of the spoiled milk, but the product is usually discarded before this occurs. Butter, high lipid content, which is low, make it more susceptible to surface mold growth than to bacterial spoilage. Some pseudomonads can be problem. Surface taint, putrid smell caused by the production of the organic acid, and rancidity due to the butterfat lipolysis caused by the phagy are common. Peripheral phagy is common. Then cottage cheese, which can be spoiled by yeast mold bacteria. The most common bacteria spoil is slim cord caused by the Alcagenes species and gamma negative aerobium rod found in soil, water and intestinal tract vertebrates. Penicillium, mucor and the other fungi also grow well in cottage cheese and impart stale and yeasty flavor. That is the ripened cheese, low atomic weight, low pH, high salt inhibits most spoilage microorganism except surface mold growth. Spores of the Clostridium buttricium and Clostridium sporogenes and other germinate in cheeses with intrinsic properties are less inhibitory because due to the lower salt and higher pH.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ରାଇପେଣ୍ଡ ଚିଜେସ୍ ଟା କଣ ଏଟା?
ତାର ଯୋଉ ଆମେ ଚିଜଟାକୁ ବହୁତ କଣ ଫୁଟାନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ହାର୍ଡ ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ତ ଆମେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଡଲିଂ ହେଇକି ନରମ ଯୋଉଟା ଫ୍ରେଶ ଚିଜଟା ଖାଉଛେ ଘରେ
लो एडब्ल्यू କଣ ସେଟା ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ?
ସାର୍ लो ଆଟମିକ ୱେଟ AW ଯୋଉ এটা ହେଲା pH ମାନେ ସିଜି ସିଜିକି ତାର ଇଏଟା ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ତ these organism ଆମେ ଯୋଉଟା ଜେନେରାଲି ରାଇପେନ୍ ଚିଜ ମାନେ ସାର୍ ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ ଖାଉଛେ ତରକାରୀ କରୁଛେ ଯୋଉଟା ପନିର ଯୋଉଟାକୁ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଓକେ
so these organisms may metabolize citrate, lactose, pyruvate or lactic acid and produce butyrate or acetate plus carbon dioxide or hydrogen gas which grows the cheese. Spoilage of the fruits and vegetables. Typical composition 80% of water, 8.6% of the carbohydrate, includes readily available mono and disaccharides like glucose, maltose, as well as the complex oligosaccharides, which are available to fewer types of microorganisms, 1.9% of the protein, 3% of the fat, and and the 84% of the mineral also contain fat and water soluble vitamin and nucleic acid. pH almost all veggies is around 6.0 within the growth range of the many bacteria. Microflora of the vegetable is primarily composed of gamma positive bacteria like lactic acid bacteria, Corninoform and Staphylococcus, the latter coming from the hands of the employees during the processes, or you can say it is the food handler. Staphylococcus is the usually unable to proliferate, but cross-contamination can introduce them into the other foods where the growth conditions are more favorable. Soft rot, these are the soft rot, often most common type of bacterial spoilage, which is caused by the Eruina corotaphora and sometimes by Pseudomonas species, which grow at 4 degrees centigrade. Softening can also caused by the endogenous enzymes. Then fruits, average composition 85% of the water, 13% of the carbohydrate, 9% of the protein, a bit low on nitrogen sources, 5% of fat, 5% of ash, and trace amount of the vitamins, nucleotides, etc. Less water and more carbohydrate than veggies, and low veggies, money vegetables, and low pH, that is 1.8 to 5.6. Like vegetables, fruits are nutrient rich substrate, but the pH of the fruit does not favor bacterial growth, and as a result, yeast and molds are more important than bacteria, the spoilage of the fruits. Several genera of the yeast can be found on the fruit. Because these organisms grow faster in mold, yeast often initiate fruit spoilage. Then mold finish the job by degrading complex polysaccharides in cell wall and limbs. Mold spoilage, mold. In vegetables where bacterial growth is not favored, that is the having low pH, molds are the principal spoilage agent. Most molds must invade plant tissue to the surface. Wounds such as bruise or crack, pores are frequently deposited at these sites by the insect like Drosophila. Other molds like the Butyric which cause grey mold, rot on a variety of vegetable and able to penetrate the fruit and vegetable skin on their own. Then specific spoilage organism, that is the blue rot, downy mildew, black rot, sour rot. These are the specific. Then cereal and bakery goods which are spoiled due to the Rhizophus stolonifer, which is the common bread mold, other species from the genus spoiled cereal and other baked food. Refrigerated frozen dough products have more water and can be spoiled by the lactic acid bacteria. Dough माने जोटा आमे अटा गुड़ा करके रखुचे, अटा चकटी की जोटा रखुचे. Fermented food and beverages, beer and wine, they can be spoiled by the yeast and bacteria, which generally lactic acid bacteria like the Cytobacteria and Pediscoccus species. And under aerobic condition, acetic acid bacteria like the Acetobacter and Gluconobacter, acetic acid bacteria convert the ethanol to acetic acid in the presence of the oxygen. The aerobic bacterium Megasphaera can also spoil the beer by producing acid and hydrogen sulfide. Beer spoilage is packaged beer is often due to the growth of the yeast, which grows on the dextrin that beer yeast cannot utilize. Then in either case, spoilage by yeast result in the development of the turbidity of flavors and odors. Then wine, which also spoiled by the yeast, then can also be spoiled by lactic acid bacteria, which is able to convert the malic acid to lactic acid. This residue acidity of the wine and adversely affect the wine flavor. In some areas, wine grapes have too much malic acid, so this fermentation is deliberately used to reduce the acidity of grape juice that will be used for the wine. Wine factory मानेकरी इटा generally देखा जाए. आपको कहते winner, yeast, mold and lactic acid माने तेरे को माने oak रो माने oak
मैम एगुड़ा का स्पॉइल होच इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ना
प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन आउ एसिड भी सर ये जो कन्वर्ट होची सर देखो एठी प्रथमे ऑक्सीजन देला पियर टारे तापरे माने लैक्टिक एसिड जोगु सेटा माने कन्वर्ट होची कन्वर्ट द मालिक एसिड इनटू द लैक्टिक एसिड माने फर्मेंटेशन होची सर so yeast molds and lactic acid bacteria can spoil fermented vegetables सर सेति पे जो वाइन को ओक रो काठरे ताकू स्टोर करके रखंती माने
मैम एगुड़ा तो ऑलरेडी फर्मेंटेड बेवरेजेस
fermented
गुड़ा
product हां तथापि तारो भी गोटे डेट अछि ना सर किंतु ओल्ड वाइन हमर बिलीव कोन जते पुराना वाइन सेते देह पई भलो दैट इज द टॉनिक फॉर योर हेल्थ So, yeast, molds, and lactic acid bacteria can spoil the fermented vegetable, such as sauerkraut and the pickles, as well as other acid food like salad dressing and mayonnaise.
ओके
So, spoilage in the fermented vegetable is often manifest by off-odor changes in the color and texture. In mayonnaise, the salad dressing, the first sign of the spoilage is usually off-odor and emulsion of the separation. It is মানে অলগা ହେଇଯିବ ସେଥିରେ prevention of the food spoilage. Various methods can be used to prevent, delay, or otherwise reduce the food spoil. That is, a food rotation system uses is the fast out method. Fast in and fast out method, that is FIFO, which ensures the first item purchased is the first item consumed. Then manipulation of the factors controlling the conditions required for the microbial growth and enzyme activation, temperature, moisture, air, pH, other than the food itself can help to prevent the food spoilage. The key for preventing food spoilage is to store food at proper condition. Then enzyme and microorganisms get inactivated by heat and chemical treatment. Using modern technique of the preventing the food spoilage such as canning, pasteurizing, irradiation, aseptic packaging, modified atmospheric packaging, vacuum packaging, nitrogen flushing, high pressure processing, etc. Is that clear? I think we have only food adulteration. Next class will be food adulteration.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
Yeah, yes.
ଫୁଡ୍ ପ୍ରିଜର୍ଭେସନ୍ ପାଇଁ କିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିପାରେ କି?
No, ଆସିବନି କାରଣ it is not in your course. Only food preservation is the method to avoid food spoilage.
ଓକେ
So food preservation it is again a long topic.
ଓକେ
Method of food preservation is by high pressure, low temperature, tapre acid, medium, dry heat, pressure, ultraviolet light, salt. That is the homemade method. Salt, oil, ଆମେ ଲୁଣ ଦେଇକି ରଖୁଛେ, oil ଦେଇକି ରଖୁଛେ, ଆଉ antibiotics ବି sometimes it is used, not but it is not in home. In the salt and oil, ଆଉ ड्राइंग କରିକି ବଡି ପାମ୍ପଡ଼ ଯୋଉ ଆମେ କରୁଛେ ड्राइंग ନା ଆଉ କଣ କରୁଛେ ଷ୍ଟୋରେଜ ବିନ୍ ଯୋଉଟାକରେ ଆମେ ରଖୁଛେ କିଛି ଲିମ୍ବ ପତ୍ର ଆମେ ଡ୍ରାଇ କରୁଛେ
एयरटाइट कंटेनर मैम एयरटाइट कंटेनर
generally you have to always avoid this packaging food and other foods ମାନେ ଯେତିକି ଦରକାର ସେତିକି ଆଣନ୍ତୁ store କରୁ one day only then you consume immediately
ଓକେ
ମାନେ avoid କରନ୍ତୁ ହଁ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସିଲାବସ୍ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି କି ଫୁଡ୍ ପଏଜନିଂ ମେଜରିଂ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଅଫ୍ ଫୁଡ୍
last class I will give you କେମିତି ଆମେ measure କରିବା ଗୋଟେ ତାର ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ sensory evaluation ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା different method of ମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଆମେ ତାର କରୁଛେ କେମିତି food quality ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ codex
ଆଚ୍ଛା
elementals then different organizations are there to measure the food quality
ଓକେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍
that we will have a food adulteration ପରେ ଆମେ food quality ଆମେ ପଢିବା
ହଁ ସେଥିରେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଅଫ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ରହିବ ନା ମ୍ୟାମ୍
food product order ag mark then your ISI mark ଆପଣ ପ୍ରେସର କୁକର ହରିକା କିଣୁଥିବେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଗୁଡ୍ସ କିଣୁଥିବେ ISI ମାର୍କ সেটা দেখিলে ଆପଣ কিনিবে, that is the quality control mark of the government of India. Then AG mark is the all the agricultural product. Food
Okay,
product
ma'am.
order, FPO mark is the food, all the food products. Jam,
Mhm.
sauce, jelly ସବୁ ସେଇଥିରେ ଥିବ।
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କୋଡେକ୍ସ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା କଣ ମ୍ୟାମ୍?
Codex Alimentarius,
ହଁ
এটা ଗୋଟେ organization ଯୋଉଟା କି ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆମର ହେଇଥିଲା, and that has also reputed ମାନେ that standardize the products.
ହୁଁ
That I will give you the କେମିତି ଆସିଲା Codex Alimentarius ଆଉ କୋଉ
ଓକେ
କୋଉ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
product ରେ ସେଇଟା ଦଉଛି। ତାପରେ Bureau of Indian Standard, now it is converted to ISI mark, BIS ଟା ISI ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
ISI mark. Okay.
Clear? These are the food quality control of the food quality we study.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is all under the FSSI.
Okay.
2006 ପରଠୁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଥିଲେ, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସବୁ it is under the FSSI.
Hmm.
So we have covered food poisoning, food contamination, and food this is spoilage. These three are interrelated to each other. ତାପରେ ଆସିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କର food adulteration. Then to control these things, food adulteration, food spoilage, food contamination, you have this food মানে control of the food quality or policy of the government of India, food policy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question?
No, ma'am.
So another, I think if you will take regularly class, then you will complete your paper 1.
Ma'am, କାଲି କ୍ଲାସ୍ ରହିବ?
Kali class ରହିବ, so that we will complete your food adulteration and this quality control.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am.
Unit 5 will be covered.
Hmm.